Google's next smartwatch, the Pixel Watch 4, is expected to launch later this year alongside the Pixel 10 series. Is expected to offer a few upgrades. There's still months for the Pixel Watch 4 launch, but we at 91 Mobiles bring you your very first look at the smartwatch's design courtesy of Steve Hammerstoffer aka On Leaks. The Pixel Watch 4 maintains the circular design looking quite like the predecessor model, the Pixel Watch 3. The screen bezels appear to be slightly slimmer, and the back design looks similar to the first Pixel Watch. The Pixel Watch 4 also comes with 2 buttons added on both sides of the speaker. The upcoming Pixel Watch is also said to be thicker at 14.3mm. It's expected to launch in 2 sizes, possibly 41mm and 45mm, like the Pixel Watch 3. The Pixel Watch 4 still looks quite like the Pixel Watch 3, albeit few design changes that we can expect. This model is in black, but we expect Google to launch the Pixel Watch 4 in more colorways. There isn't much known about the Pixel Watch 4 in terms of specifications, but it's expected to feature a new chipset. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.